Meta's AI is watching you, not just what you post, not just the pages you like or the ads you click. It's watching everything, every message, every scroll, every pause. And it's not a conspiracy theory. It's happening right now. For years, Facebook, now called Meta, has been collecting our data. We all know the story: tracking cookies, targeted ads, endless news feeds tuned to our interests. But what's happening today makes all of that look primitive. Meta's newest generation of artificial intelligence doesn't just analyze your online profile. It analyzes your entire life. It knows when you wake up. It knows when you're stressed. It knows what excites you and what makes you uncomfortable. It can even make predictions about what you'll do next. And the truth is, this isn't about connecting people anymore. This is about predicting, influencing, and ultimately controlling human behavior. Let's rewind to 2018. Remember the Cambridge Analytica scandal? That was the moment the world learned that Facebook had allowed massive amounts of personal data to be harvested without real consent, and then used to influence elections. At the time, it was shocking. But in reality, that was just the warm dash-up back then. The technology was limited. It was crude compared to what Meta's AI can do now. Today's AI doesn't just read what you write. It can detect your mood in real time from your words. It can analyze your voice messages and hear stress, excitement, or sadness. It can scan photos and videos to detect your facial expressions, your body language. Even tiny micro-reactions you might not notice yourself. And this isn't just for showing you better ads. This is about shaping how you think, how you feel, and even what you believe. The average person spends over 2 hours a day on social media. That's 2 hours where Meta's AI can monitor you, study you, set you, and feed you exactly the kind of content that will keep you scrolling. Because the longer you stay, the more you reveal. And here's something most people don't realize. Meta's AI doesn't only learn from you when you're actively using Facebook or Instagram. It learns from your entire digital footprint. Whenever you use WhatsApp, whenever you put on a MetaQuest VR headset, whenever you interact with a website that has a Facebook like button or an Instagram embed, yes. Even if you don't have an account, Meta has created one of the I have created one of the largest shadow profiles in the world, databases of information on people who never signed up for their services. They track IP addresses, device IDs, browser fingerprints, then connect the dots until they know exactly who you are. Think about the power that gives them. They don't just know your name. They know your habits, your fears, your political leanings, your hidden desires. And with AI, they can make predictions about your future behavior. This isn't just personalization. This is surveillance at a scale we've never seen before. Now, let's talk about VR and AR. The future Meta is pushing hard with products like the MetaQuest and their upcoming AR glasses. These devices track far more than you realize. They record the direction of your gaze, the dilation of your pupils, the movement of your hands, the tilt of your head, your reaction speed, even your breathing patterns. To an AI, all of this is gold. It can be used to determine your emotional state in real time. If a virtual image makes your heart race, Meta's AI knows. If a scene makes you anxious, it records that. This is biometric surveillance disguised as entertainment, and once AI understands your deepest reactions, it can design content and experiences that trigger you exactly the way it wants, whether to make you buy something, believe something, or feel something. You might be thinking, okay, but surely they can't really influence me that much. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Studies have shown that algorithms can predict your personality traits more accurately than your friends and family after just a few hundred data points. Meta's AI has billions of data points on you. It knows what kind of posts make you angry. It knows which influencers you trust. It knows how to keep you addicted, and it uses that knowledge relentlessly. And remember, Meta isn't doing this alone. They work with advertisers, political campaigns, and in some cases, governments. They can subtly change what you see, when you see it, and how often you see it, and you'll think it was your own idea to click, to believe, to buy. This is where the line between persuasion and manipulation disappears. Because when an AI has total access to your digital life, it can nudge you in ways you won't even notice. Now, let's ask the big question: why? Why does Meta need this much control? The obvious answer is money. More precise targeting means more valuable ads. But there's a deeper layer: power. The power to shape public opinion, influence elections, direct cultural trends, and control the flow of information itself. And in a world where information is power, Meta is building the ultimate weapon. Every day, 2 billion people use WhatsApp. Over 1 billion log into Facebook. Billions scroll Instagram. And behind the scenes, all of that activity flows into AI systems that grow smarter by the second. And here's the most dangerous part: you never gave them truly informed consent. Yes, you clicked I agree when you signed up. Did you understand that meant giving them the right to read your private messages, scan your photos, track your VR reactions, and build a permanent psychological profile on you? Of course not. The terms of service are written to make sure you don't notice what you're agreeing to. Meta will tell you it's all to improve the user experience. But improve for who? For the advertisers who want to predict your every move. For political campaigns looking to sway the undecided. Or for governments that want to monitor citizens without warrants. Once data exists, it will be abused. That's not paranoia. That's history. And the truth is, this AI revolution is racing far ahead of the law. By the time governments try to regulate Meta's AI, will have evolved into something even more powerful. So what can we do? First, we have to understand that privacy isn't just about hiding secrets. It's about control over your own life. Every piece of data you give them is another brick in the digital prison being built around you. You have to question every app you install, every permission you grant, every moment you spend on platforms designed to watch you as much as you watch them. Because every like, every pause, every swipe, Meta's AI sees it, it records it, it learns from it, and it uses it to make itself smarter, faster, and more persuasive. If we don't push back now, the line between human choice and machine control will vanish completely. The spying isn't coming. It's here. And the most shocking truth is, we allowed it.